you will identify FactoryTalk View SE software components at the beginning of the application development process. You will determine FactoryTalk View SE application types when opening the software to ensure you have access to the correct components. You will configure the FactoryTalk directory before beginning application development and back up applications throughout the development process. In this lesson, you will learn how to identify FactoryTalk View SE architecture components, identify FactoryTalk View SE application types, manage the FactoryTalk directory, and back up and restore FactoryTalk View SE applications. Here is a list of topics in the lesson. It is recommended you view the topics in the suggested order.